In this video, we are going to discuss the concept of multiple assignments with the lists. So in case of lists, we can assign multiple lists at the same time in one line in Python. So consider this list variable numbers with these 5 values 5, minus 10, 7, 11 and 100. If I say print numbers, it will print the whole list as it is, all 5 elements on the screen. Now if I have to assign number 99 at the index 0, that is numbers of 0 should be equal to 99, and numbers of 3, that is at index 3 at third location, I want to replace that value by 88. So I want to do 2 assignments, one at index 0 and one at index 3. I can write 2 individual statements as number of 0 equal to 99 on a separate line and numbers of 3 is equal to 88 on a separate line. But in Python, we can do this or achieve this in one line itself by using comma operator. So I can write numbers of 0, comma numbers of 3 equal to 99, comma 88. So automatically the first number 99 will be assigned to numbers of 0 and 88, the second number after comma, will be assigned to numbers of 3. And then if I say print numbers, you can see the 0th location 5 is getting replaced by 99. And then the third location 0, 1, 2, 3, 11 is getting replaced by 88. That is the new list variable values. Now we can use multiple assignment concept at the time of initialization also. At this line, I am trying to initialize 2 list variables in one single statement. So by default, the first list enclosed in the square brackets will be assigned to the first list variable n1. Because of square brackets, the Python interpreter will understand that this is a list, and that's why n1 is a list variable. Automatically, because of comma operator, n2 becomes my second list variable, and after comma, wherever my second list is present, that will be assigned to n2. So this 1, 2, 3, 4 list will be assigned to n2. So if I say print n1 and print n2, it will print the first list 5 to 100 on one line as values of n1, and it will print 1 to 4, the second list, as the values of n2 on the second line. So this multiple assignment concept is very useful in Python, because using this we can easily swap 2 numbers in one line itself. We can just write a comma b equal to b comma a, that will replace or that will exchange the values of a and b. So that is the use of multiple assignments in Python 3.